How to fix Minecraft mobile chat not showing. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such problem on your Minecraft application on mobile where your chat is not being shown, you can simply head over to your device's settings, and once you're inside here, simply scroll all the way down until you find the apps section and simply locate the Minecraft application. So in this case I will be showing you real craft instead of Minecraft because I don't have Minecraft application. It's not available for free on Android, so you can basically come over and follow along the same process, which is head over to settings and simply clear all of your cache from over here, and just come back and click on this force stop the application and simply restart, or just head over to your Play Store and simply update your Minecraft application. So once you update your application, simply head over to your Minecraft application and try to reopen the application just like that, and your issue should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.